In today's video, I will be explaining what is surrogacy and who is a surrogate mother. Surrogacy is one of the methods that can be used to assist couples that are unable to get pregnant and have their own babies. Okay, who is a surrogate mother? A surrogate mother is a woman that is going to carry pregnancy for another person or another couple that are unable to have children of their own or to be able to carry pregnancy and have their own babies. We have two types of surrogacy. We have gestational surrogacy and traditional surrogacy. In gestational surrogacy, after getting a surrogate woman, a man who is married to a woman that's unable to have their own, to carry pregnancy and have their own baby, we now use this surrogate woman. So how is it done? In the fertility center, the sperm of this man will be taken, and this woman, she have her own eggs, but due to some certain her medical condition, she cannot carry she can't carry pregnancy to term, or she cannot even get pregnant. After getting a surrogate mother, they will take the sperm from the man, mix uh, and the eggs of the woman. This will be fertilized in the laboratory, and the embryo, which the combination of the egg and this and the sperm will form the embryo, and just in form of IVF, and will now be transported to this woman's womb, the uterus. So this is the surrogate mother. She will carry the pregnancy to term after every medical consent screening might have been completed. She will carry the pregnancy and carry the pregnancy term, deliver the baby, and hand over to the couple. Okay, so this is the surrogate mother carrying pregnancy for these two. This egg, this sperm and this egg will be fertilized outside as like an in vitro fertilization, carried to this woman. She carries the baby and deliver the baby, give the baby to them. She is not biological parent. She is not related to this baby by blood, because and no DNA connected her to the baby. So this couple are the biological parent of the baby that's been carried by surrogate mother. Okay, then the other type of surrogacy is a traditional surrogacy. This is not a common type. It's not as common as the first one I described, this first one that is a gestational surrogacy. So in traditional surrogacy, the woman will be the one to produce the egg, the donor. She will be the one, they will use her egg. Also, she will be the carrier. What happened in traditional surrogacy is a man and a woman that are unable to have their baby, after getting a surrogate woman, what will happen is the man's sperm will be used to inseminate. They will use the sperm and inseminate it. They will use the form of IUI, that is intrauterine insemination. The sperm here will be collected to fertilize the woman's egg. She have her egg, which can be fertilized to form a baby. So the sperm will be used, inseminate inside the uterus, and she gets pregnant, carry the baby, and hand over to them. In this particular method, she is the biological parent to that baby because her egg is being used and she carried the baby. She is the donor, she is the gestational carrier. But because some consent might have been signed that she's only helping this couple, so she will have to hand over the baby to the couple. Okay, another one they can do is collecting the egg and fertilize it outside, just like the way the how it was done in the gestational, or how it can be done in IVF. They will take the egg from the woman and fertilize it outside with the sperm of the man, they now transfer it back to her uterus, to her womb. Okay, so this is another form of uh, surrogacy, or fertilizing the eggs, and to become embryo. She will carry the baby, deliver the baby, and hand over. In this form, the woman is just the mother because it's her husband, but she's not related by blood to this baby. This is the mother of the baby, but because consent has been signed to just do this for them, use her egg, carry the baby, and hand it over. So this is it, but it's not the common type. It's not common. This is a traditional method of traditional surrogacy. As I've explained, we have gestational. This one is the common type. We have traditional. Traditional also can be done. So if the woman does not have eggs, or she have no womb, or some reasons why she cannot, medical reason, she cannot have a baby, that does not mean that she cannot still be married to this man and they will have children together. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.